How to making an emergency key at home. Having a spare key is essential to save you from getting locked out if you ever lose your keys. There are many different options for making a copy of your key, whether you want to do it yourself or take it to a professional. In this video we'll describe how you can make your own key at home to use in a pinch, as well as which professional services you can choose from for a long-term spare. To never get locked out again, keep reading. Step 1. Hold the teeth on one side of the key over an open flame until they are charred. Use a lighter or a lit candle. Move the teeth of the key back and forth over the flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the key is charred on one side, set it down until it is cool to the touch. Use a pair of pliers to hold the key so you don't burn your fingers. Step 2. Stick a piece of clear tape on the blackened side of the key. Cut a piece of standard-sized clear tape the same length as the key. Carefully lay it on top of the key so it doesn't crease. Press the tape firmly onto the blackened side of the key so the char transfers. The outline of the key will transfer to the sticky side of the tape, leaving a perfect impression. Leave a fingertip-sized bit of tape at the end of the key so it's easier to remove. Step 3. Remove the tape slowly after 10 seconds. Peel the tape back, being sure that it doesn't fold or crease. The char will leave residue on the sticky side of the tape in the same shape as the key. Use rubbing alcohol to remove any residual char from the key. Step 4. Place the tape on an expired credit card or plastic gift card. A standard thickness card will work best. Stick the tape so the entire imprint of the key is on the card. Make sure the tape lays flat so the shape of the teeth is not distorted. Place the tape away from any raised letters or numbers on the card. Otherwise, it will be too thick to fit in the lock. Use a light-colored card so you can easily see the imprint of the key. For a slightly more durable method, use a bottle cap. Use pliers to uncrease the edges and make the cap flat. Step 5. Cut out the shape of the key with a pair of scissors. Carefully maneuver around the outline of the key. Be mindful around the teeth, being sure to cut directly on the outline. If the teeth are not close to the correct size, they will not be able to turn the lock. It doesn't matter how the large end of the key is shaped. As long as the teeth are cut correctly, the key should work. Hold the original key up to the one you're cutting out to compare the teeth. If you're using a bottle cap, use a metal file to cut out the imprint of the key. Step 6. Turn the makeshift key slowly in the lock. Insert the key delicately into the lock so it doesn't bend or deform. Once it's fully inserted, hold the key as close to the lock as you can and turn it to unlock the door. Don't force the key to turn, or else it may bend or break. A key made from a credit card or other materials like this is fine in a pinch, but shouldn't be used forever. Use the method below to make an actual spare key that you can keep long-term. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.